In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin Facebook Marketplace to navigation bar. Let's start with a quick reality check so you know exactly what to expect. At the time of recording, Facebook does not allow you to pin Marketplace to the top navigation bar on desktop. That means there isn't a built-in toggle or setting to lock Marketplace alongside icons like home or notifications. Interfaces change over time, so this could be different in the future. But right now, the most reliable way to get one-click access is to create a fast shortcut. I'll show you two simple, effective alternatives: bookmarking Marketplace or keeping it open in a dedicated browser tab. First, open Facebook in your preferred desktop browser and sign in as you normally do. To jump straight to Marketplace, type facebook.com/marketplace into your browser's address bar and hit enter. This takes you directly to the Marketplace homepage without extra clicks. Now let's make this a one-click shortcut. The quickest method is to bookmark the page. On Windows, press Ctrl and D. On a Mac, press Command and D. When the bookmark dialog appears, rename it to something short and obvious like Marketplace, so it's easy to spot. For the location, choose your bookmarks bar so it appears at the top of your browser for instant access. Save it, and you're done. If your bookmarks bar isn't visible, enable it in your browser's view or appearance settings, so the shortcut is always just one click away. You can also drag the bookmark to the far left side of the bar to make it the very first item you see. If you prefer working with tabs, keep Marketplace open in its own tab for quick access throughout the day. For a cleaner, always there feel, right-click the Marketplace tab and select Pin tab. A pin tab shrinks to an icon on the left side of your tab strip, making it harder to close by accident and easy to find. Many browsers preserve pin tabs between sessions, so when you reopen your browser, Marketplace will still be ready to go. If you routinely juggle many tabs, this is a great way to keep Marketplace within reach without clutter. To recap, while you can't officially pin Marketplace to Facebook's top navigation bar on desktop, you can achieve nearly the same convenience by bookmarking facebook.com/marketplace to your bookmarks bar, or by keeping and optionally pinning a dedicated Marketplace tab. Use whichever approach fits your workflow best, and you'll have quick, consistent access every time you open your browser.